Yo, you're on a rock, floating in space, made of regular boring matter, protons, neutrons, electrons, the usual stuff. But what if I told you there might be matter out there that's so weird, so fundamentally bizarre, that it has negative mass? Yeah, negative. Mass. Welcome to the absolutely unhinged world of exotic matter. Okay, so normal matter has positive mass, right? An apple has mass. You have mass. The Earth has mass. That's how gravity works. But exotic matter? It would have negative mass. And that breaks pretty much everything we know about physics. Wait, how does negative mass even work? Great question. Imagine pushing something with negative mass. Instead of moving away from you like normal, it would accelerate towards you. Push it, and it chases you. That's not a typo. That's just what the math says would happen. Two objects with negative mass would repel each other, but here's where it gets absolutely bonkers. If you put a positive mass object next to a negative mass object, they'd both accelerate in the same direction. Forever, creating energy out of nothing, breaking physics, it's chaos. So why are physicists obsessed with this hypothetical stuff that probably doesn't exist? Because exotic matter is the secret ingredient for basically every cool sci-fi concept you've ever heard of. Wormholes. You need exotic matter to keep them open, or they collapse instantly. Warp drives. Exotic matter could theoretically bend space-time to let you travel faster than light without actually breaking the light speed limit. Time travel. Some solutions to Einstein's equations that allow time travel require exotic matter. It's like the cheat code for the universe, if it exists. Here's the thing though. We've never found exotic matter, not even a hint of it. Every particle we've ever detected has positive mass. Every single one. Some physicists think exotic matter might be theoretically possible through quantum effects. Others think it violates fundamental laws and can't exist at all. There's something called the Casimir effect that creates negative energy density between two plates. And some people argue that's sorta like exotic matter, but it's not quite the same thing. The Alcubierre warp drive requires exotic matter, but we don't have any, so we can't build it. Sad. So exotic matter. Theoretically possible, practically impossible, and absolutely essential for breaking the universe's rules. Does it exist? Probably not. Would it be cool if it did? Absolutely. Would it break causality and create paradoxes? Yeah, definitely. That's exotic matter, the universe's ultimate what if. If you want more physics that makes your brain hurt, hit that subscribe button.